Hi everybody, this is Uwa, and for this video, we're going to prepare and cook one of my favorite food, ginataang munggo. I'll be providing the step-by-step and all the ingredients so you can try it as well. And if you're ready, let's start! First, for our ingredients, we need garlic or bawang, onion or sibuyas. Kakailanganin din natin ng onion leeks, wild chili or sile, 1/4 of pork, chicharon, coconut milk or gata, at ang hindi mawawalang munggo beans. Para sa ating unang step, ating ihanda ang knife and chopping board para sa paghihiwa ng ating mga pangsahog o pampalasa. Cut the spices into small pieces. Mga bawang, sibuyas, onion leeks, at sile. Put the munggo beans in the water. Ibabad muna natin ang ating munggo at pakulan ito sa tubig. Hayaan na natin muna itong mag-absorb ng water. Cover and let it boil. Munggo is a kind of dried bean. It need to absorb water. Kailangan muna natin ito ibabad at hayaang kumulo. Magantay ng 20 minutes o higit pa hanggang sa makuha ang tamang lambot. Next, put it in a bowl. Ilagay muna ito sa mangkok. Next step, wait for the pan to heat up. Painitin muna natin ang ating kawali. Then next, put the oil. Ilagay natin ang ating mantika. Patience is the key. Cooking is all about love and patience. These are certain dishes that need more attention than others, no matter how simple they are, but in the end, you can be sure that the reward is worth it. Add onion and stir. Ilagay ang ating sibuyas, followed by garlic or ang bawang. Isunod ito at haluin bago ilagay ang wild chili or sile. Pagkatapos ay haluin ito ng dahan-dahan at antayin maluto hanggang sa magkulay itong brown. And once naluto na ang ating panggisa, ilagay na natin ang ating meat at ihalo ito hanggang sa ito ay maluto. Munggo is one of those dishes that needs certain preparation before it is fully enjoyed by the family. And it's your choice. You have the option if you want to change the meat, if you want chicken, if you prefer chicken, dried fish, that's also fine. And don't forget to add salt para sa ating pampalasa. And pepper or paminta. After, mix well. Haluin lang ito ng haluin. Importanteng hinahalo ito ng hinahalo para hindi ito masunog. After, cover the pan. at hayaan natin itong maluto. After 15 minutes of waiting, buksan na natin ang ating takip at maglagay ng 1 cup of water. Kailangan natin itong lagyan ng tubig dahil ating pampakukuluan ang ating karne o pork para mas lumambot ang ating pangsahog. Hayaan lang natin ito at takpan hanggang sa ito ay kumulo at magantay ng 10 minuto. At kapag kumulo, atin na nga itong haluin ng dahan-dahan. I-check kung lumalambot na ang ating karne o pork. Pagkatapos ay takpan ito ulit upang masigurado na maluluto ang ating pork. After 5 minutes, i-check ulit natin kung lumalambot na ang ating karne. Haluin ito ng dahan-dahan. At para mas lumasa, we need to add pork cube. Pagkatapos ay haluin ito hanggang sa matunaw ang pork cube na ating nilagay. After 3 minutes, atin nang buksan ang ating takip at haluin ulit ang ating karne. Isa sa mga palatandaan kung luto ng isang karne ay kapag wala na itong tubig. Next, ilagay na natin ang ating main ingredients. Put the mungo beans. After, haluin lang ito ng dahan-dahan. In moderation, mung beans or munggo can be a healthy addition to your daily diet. It's important to balance their intake with other foods to ensure a varied and balanced diet. A serving size of about 1/2 cup or 100 grams per day is generally considered safe and beneficial for most people. Add more 1 cup of water to make sure that the mungo beans absorb water. Cover the pan and let it absorb the water. After 3 minutes, buksan na nga natin ang ating takip. Next, add chicharon. As for me, munggo is best topped with chicharon. Mas lumalasa ito kapag may chicharon. Kaya try nyo na rin. Isa nga ito sa mga hinahanap ko. Kaya kapag walang chicharon ang munggo, napapaisip akong may kulang. Kagaya nga ng ibang sangkap, ating ihalo ang chicharon para ito ay mas lumasa at lumambot. Try nyo to, promise. The best. Mungo beans are good because they supply protein and fiber They also protect the liver, and you can eat them not just every Friday, but of course, daily. Once all good, takpan muna natin ang ating niluluto at hayaan itong maluto hanggang sa mas lumasa. And wait for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, there you go. We're almost done. At pwede na nga nating ilagay ang ating coconut milk or gata na mas tiyak na magpapasarap sa ating munggo. Stir slowly, haluin lamang natin ito ng dahan-dahan. Pwede nyo rin ito lagyan ng konting suka upang hindi madaling masira ang ating ginataang munggo. Konti na nga lang at malapit nang maluto ang ating ginataang munggo. For this time, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating huling ingredients, which is onion leeks. Ihalo na natin ito para mas lumasa ang ating nilulutong munggo. You can also add just about anything to your ginataang munggo. Choose ingredients like malunggay and ampalaya. If you don't prefer ampalaya, you can use ampalaya leaves as alternative. After 3 minutes, we're done. Haluin na lamang ito ng dahan-dahan. Until finally, it's ready to serve. Luto na ang ating ginataang munggo. I considered ginataang munggo a healthy food. It is rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, and B6. It helps prevent diabetes, and munggo beans are good because they supply protein and fiber. Munggo or mung beans are popular as fresh salads and cooked as lentils or soup in India, China, and Southeast Asia. Ready na nga ang ating ulam at tiyak mapapasarap ang ating kain sa sarap ng lasa nito. And that's it. For more videos, please do subscribe and follow OWA TV for more. Again, thank you and goodbye.